What's going on, everybody? Dave back again, and yes, I know it's been a hot minute. I've been out for a while, but I'm back, and I want to do a couple videos, especially with Black Friday. You know me, if I find something good, I'm actually going to reach out to the companies and see if I can't swing some kind of deal, maybe get something to give away on the channel. I usually try and do that. I do have a couple of reviews coming up. One is for a security system, actually two different ones, and I have to thank my neighbor on this side because they're the ones that had it originally, and I really liked how it ended up working. So I ended up reaching out to the company and ordering some for myself and gain a discount for you guys for Black Friday. Today's video is for air purifier. Now I ended up picking this up for the hobby room. It ended up staying at work and in my office over there. Works really good for the size of the office, and I reached out to the company and they sent me another one so that I could do a video review on it. This one's going to be perfectly clean. I'm going to be honest with you, it's going to be perfectly clean because it's brand freaking new. The one that I have at my office I've been using for about 3 months, something like that, and it has been working really good as far as keeping down any dust, anything like that. I have a couple of the girls that I work with that have really bad allergies, and they will usually hide in my office to do paperwork and stuff because I work in the medical field. We're still strapped to have to wear masks all freaking day long, and that's their safe space to be able to take off their mask and work on paperwork. None of them's had any issues while they're in there, so good stuff on that. For today's video, it is going to be for air purifier. There will be a link down below. For Black Friday, it is 40% off. I'm not saying that it's the super cheapest. They do have different size models, all the way big enough. I'm trying to get one for the workshop outside to see if I can use it to keep down some of the dust that gets kicked up from cutting on wood and stuff like that, because it gets freaking everywhere, and yeah, but the wife is not happy. So without further ado, let's get into unboxing this, and I will show you everything that comes in the package. I will tell you how it's worked out for me and everything, and then we'll go from there. All right, to start off with, I think the name of this is Jafända, the way that it's pronounced. The only way that I can do this is kind of this way. Otherwise, I'm stuck doing in that back corner over there, and I have to set up the tripod. There's not really, with having the module cases here, there's not really that much room over there. This model here will be staying here, and probably it'll either go on that rack back there or it's going to go under the desk. I'm not sure. I actually picked up a Bissell one, and it was about $250, and it worked okay. I wasn't exactly pleased with how it ended up kicking air out of the top. The filters are super expensive. I think they're like $35, almost $40 each, and that's not even counting the carbon filter. It just wasn't working out. So I put that one in the bedroom. That one works fine there. I now have one down in the living room. I have 2 cats, you know, it at least sucks the cat hair out of the air. It does that very well. So this one's actually half of the size of the Bissell, less than the Bissell, and I actually think that works better. So I'm going to show you the box kind of this way. Jafända air purifier, what is this one? JF260. They have one that is half of this size, and then they have one, I think it's a 720 or something like that, that is rated for almost like a whole apartment. Detects particles up to 2.5 microns or smaller. 5 fan speed. I probably would have reworded that 5-speed span. Timer, sleep mode, auto mode, light, filter replacement, quiet. It has a child lock. The site is jafända.com. Of course, there is going to be a link down at the bottom. If you click on that, it'll take you to it, and it will give you a 40% off by clicking my link. It works on dust, pollen, smoke, VOC, pet dander. 3-stage filtration system, removes up to 99.7% of particles. Pre-filter, catches the lint, hair, fiber, pet fur. H13 true HEPA filter, smoke, particles, dust, pollen, pet dander. Activated carbon layer, smoke, unpleasant odors such as pet odors, cooking smells. 24 volts, 1.5 amps. So without further ado, let's crack this open. All right, so I have the brightness turned down on this camera just so everything isn't all washed out. You know how things get with shiny, and it's also white, so I will adjust it later on. But yeah, it was cool of the company to send me another one, just so that I could do this for you guys and then offer the 40% off I don't know if it's going to continue through like Cyber Monday, but as far as I know, it's going to work for Black Friday is what they told me. I do want to thank all of you guys that have supported me over the last couple of months, even though that I have been absent. My channel is actually like strangely substantially grown. I think the last time I put out like regular videos was somewhere around March, April. And then of course I had my accident, and then work and rehab and everything else with that, and some depression, and yeah. So but I feel good and I'm back. I have like a whole pile of stuff to review for you guys. So like I said, going to show you guys this front side, side. And this is in case you guys want to see this. I'm sure it's going to be in the instructions as well. You guys know me. I go overboard for something that could be a 10-minute video. I'm gonna string it out to like 45 minutes. No, I'm not gonna do it to that. Big thick tape over here. Side note, for those that are worried that I have completely gotten out of the hobby game, I haven't gotten out. I'm just branching out. I have to thank Mr. Leon for like late last year, early this year, like kind of starting a fire under me for like the wood projects. I fell in love with that and have gone gung-ho. This year I'm making Christmas trees and reindeer and all kinds of stuff. And I'm just kind of pulling this all out so you guys can kind of see it. I mean, it's packaging. It's well packaged. I'll give them that. This one I think is going to go under. I have a coworker and her name is Nicole, and she is allergic to everything. She has a nut allergy and everything else, and I feel really bad for her. She has done so well over the last, what, COVID's been like 3 years. Wearing N95 at work every day and keeping herself safe and doing all the right things. And she was taking a family member for some medical treatments, and I think that's where she ended up getting it, but she ended up getting COVID 2 weeks ago or something like that. So I feel really horrible for her. She's done everything right, and then by taking a family member to several doctor's appointments, she ended up getting COVID. I think I'm the only one in the office that has not gotten COVID so far. Knock on wood. It's thin wood, but it is wood. All right, let's get some different light in here and look at the instructions. So we're going to flip through just so you guys can see. There will be 2 links down below. There will be a link to the site, jafända.com, which is the 40%. And then I will also place an Amazon link because they are on Amazon. And that will also let you order replacement filters. Ow, I gotta stop doing that. Replacement filters, which by Prime shipping you can get like usually next day. So just in case you want to see the instructions, you lost the instructions. All right, so there's that. All right, zooming out, the aesthetics of the top is really nice. We'll pull off the Freshie film. Ooh. On the front over here, we'll pull off this Freshie film. Diddy! You got Jafända branding over here. It's not all smattered with branding. Like, I do end up liking that. So you do have the serial number up here. You do have the power. Please take out filters before and remove packing film before use. I almost forgot about that. So we'll flip her on her head, turn that, and that just lifts that off. Now what is nice is if something ends up happening and this tips over or that plate comes off, it won't run because there's a connection here and a connection at the bottom of the plate. So, you know, if your kids get into it and start pulling stuff apart, it's not going to run and they can't stick their fingers in there. I mean, for those that have kids, good safety feature. We'll pull this film off, and this is why I contacted them, just so you know. So this does have a foam all the way around the edge here, so that way you get a nice seal when it's in there with the Bissell one. it actually let air go around the filter, which was kind of irritating and defeated the purpose. In here, you're not going to be able to see it because it's black on black. You have this honeycomb feature, and inside of here are the charcoal pellets. We'll pull out this one, and it is basically the same filter. You have two on each side because it sucks air from both sides. It doesn't just do from one side and through, which I actually really like. Again, I'm comparing this to the Bissell because the Bissell is supposed to be, you know, industry standard for the home, and it only sucks through the front and blows through the top. We'll place them in. Charcoal filters go in, and they actually have arrows on here that tell you airflow. They have nice little tabs on here, so it doesn't matter which way that you flip these filters in. And I still haven't had to replace the filters on mine. I literally, because of the way that this filter is, and there is a mesh on here, and then there's the HEPA filter, I literally about once a month have just taken this outside with a brush and just brushed off this part. I found like a lot of any bigger debris actually gets stuck by static to the outside, and then anything else gets stuck to this mesh. And the filters seem to still be working fine. I don't know what they say the actual lifespan is supposed to be of the filters, but they seem to be working very well. And you get a power cord. Now I just have to find a plug. All right, so once you plug it in, you get this bar up here, has a timer lit up and the power. It makes a little chime noise. It'll kind of ramp up a little bit and do down. Right now it is reading, so I have it on auto. You can adjust the speed over here. You do have the sleep filter, so it'll really knock down. And then, all right, on the light mode, we'll put it over here. If you turn it on once, you get this kind of glow. Let me shift the camera a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. 2, 3, and then on the 4th tick, it literally turns off all of the control lights and everything, basically to run it silent, so it's on non-disturb. And then you just tap the screen and we put it back to normal. I'm going to put the microphone right up against it, and you guys can end up hearing what it sounds like. So this is going to be on speed number 1. That's number 2. 3, 4, 5, and then back to 1. I usually just keep it on auto. Auto does a very good job of it auto detects and everything. And then when you click the sleep over here, it puts it into like a really light whisper mode. Like you can't even, it shuts off all the little control lights and everything, and it's so soft and you can't even hear it. Like I can't even hear it. So we'll turn that off. You can set a timer, and there is a little lock thing on here. On the front over here, as you can see where I was reading from, it'll tell you what the parts per million are, what speed it's on, and it will end up shifting around. Like if I were to kick up some dust or so forth and it read it, it would boost up the speed to filter out the air. And then right now, filter life, it'll tell you what the proposed filter life is, but you kind of have to be your own judge on that. If you collect more pet hair than you do dust, now it does stay running while it's on its side. Like, so it's not going to shut itself off while it's running. All right, so that was the Jafända JF260. Again, a fantastic product as far as I'm concerned. Like I said, I already have one of these at the office, in my office, and then this one is going to be for here in the hobby room. I like that it auto detects, it adjusts. One of my cats has a tendency if he hangs around out in here, and I mean, I've got some dust. I'm not going to lie. Like, I haven't really done anything in here for a couple months, like building wise, but just general dust has collected up in here. And I wish I had put this one in here a lot sooner. But yeah, definitely check out the links down below, jafända.com and there'll be a direct link to this. Use my link, get 40% off on Black Friday. I don't know if that's going to work through Cyber Monday, but you can try. And then also I'll put the Amazon link as well, that you can check it out there. I don't know if the same deal goes on over there as far as the 40% on Amazon. As far as I know, maybe it's just on the Jafända, but I think it's cheaper to get the filters on Amazon and get the free delivery, the free quick delivery through Amazon for the filters. I am going to actually end up ordering 2 sets of filters over the weekend, and that way I can have an extra set here and an extra set at work for that one over there. Again, this one works awesome, nice, quiet. I like the fact that I can turn off all the little things. Like I said, I turn on the one at work with the little night light on the bottom on mode 1, and just for some ambience. And then for in here, I'll probably keep that off and just run it with, you know, the little symbols off and everything. And I am thinking about either putting it over there where the statues are, where I've been selling a lot of my collection off, so like my sideshow statues and stuff, and or over here against this wall. I'm feeling good, and I feel back in the groove. So I will see you guys I will see you guys all in the next video. Thank you for hanging out with me. Again, check the links down below. Much appreciated. Everyone have a great turkey day. Peace.